Hi pre-K, are you ready to do some science? So, what we're talking about today is some light stuff. So I have a question for you guys. Does anyone know what transparent means? What does it mean if something is transparent? It means that you can see through it. It's clear. It also means that light can go through it. Light passes through it and you can see through it. Now, my other question is, does anyone know what opaque means? Opaque means you can't see through it and light cannot go through it. So, have you ever wondered why you can see through a window but not a wall? A window is transparent and a wall is not transparent, it's opaque. So light can go through a window, right? The sunshine shines in through your windows sometimes, but does it ever shine through the wall? No. That's because light cannot pass through a wall. It is opaque. So we are going to do some experiments with some translucent and opaque things, kind of like you saw in that video that I attached with this. Okay, if you haven't seen it yet, you can see it after. So I have some stuff, and we're going to test whether it's transparent or opaque. If you can see through it, it's transparent. If you can't see through it, it's opaque. Are you ready? This glass of water, is it transparent or opaque? Let's see. Can you see my hand on the other side of it? Yep, you can see my hand through it. It is transparent. What about this egg? Can you see through it? Can you see my hand? Can you see my finger on the other side of this egg? No, so it is opaque. What about this? Transparent or opaque? Can you see my hand on the other side of it through it? Yep, so it is transparent. And what about this? Transparent or opaque? See, can you see my hand on the other side of it? It's kind of tricky. I would say the bottom part, this part, you can see through. That is transparent, but the top part is opaque. Let's see. You shine a light on it. Will the light shine through the bottom part? Yep. Will it shine through the top part? No. So the bottom part is transparent and the top part is opaque. The light does not shine through it. And one other tricky one. Is this transparent or opaque? My hand behind it? No. Let's try shining some light through it. Let's see if the light shines through it. Light does pass through it a little bit. You can see it a little bit. See the light? It does pass through it a little bit, so maybe it's a little bit transparent and a little bit opaque. Because you can't see through it, but the light does shine through it a little bit. That's a tricky one. I have a couple of liquids with me. Some coffee in a mason jar. I have some water. And I have this big thing of apple juice. And what we are going to do today is we are going to see which ones are transparent and which ones are opaque. So I'm going to lean this down so you guys can see it. And I'm going to get my flashlight. And I am going to try and shine a light through each of these items, and we'll see if the light passes through them. Are you ready? Let's start with the coffee. What is your prediction? Make a prediction. Do you think it's transparent? Can you see through it? Will you be able to see through it? Or is it opaque? Let's find out. I'll put my light up to it. Pre-K, can you see through it? There's a little bit of light shining through, but I think mostly it's opaque. You can't see through it. By pre-K. Next up is water. What do we think is going to happen? Translucent or opaque? Let's test it. The light shining through it? Yep, it is. Translucent. And the third item, the applesauce. Translucent or opaque? Let's test it. Whoa, the light's really shining through that. Cool. And then pre-K. When I shine the light through this applesauce, something really cool happens. It makes a shadow on the wall, but it's not just any shadow, it is a colored shadow. Let me show you. Okay, you guys are looking at my wall. Now I'm going to shine my light through the apple juice, and we'll see what happens. What do you guys notice? What's on the wall? Yeah, a colored shadow. It's kind of the color of the apple juice. Okay, pre-K. So now that we've talked about things that are translucent, see-throughable, and things that are opaque, and you've watched the video about translucent and opaque shadows and lights, your job is to find some different liquids around your house and test and see if they're translucent or opaque. And then you can hold a light up to these translucent liquids that you find and see what color shadows you get. So you can use any liquids in your house. Some things that I recommend you could do are orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, water. You could put food coloring in the water to make it different colors like they do in the video. You could use lemonade, anything you like to drink. Test it, put a light through it, and see, get your flashlight and see, or hold it up to the window in the sunshine and see if you can see through it and see if it makes a colored shadow. Okay? Have fun and let us know what you find.